It's a leather briefcase messenger bag, and now I'm going to show you how I built it. Welcome to today's show. I wasn't going to videotape this bag, so the beginning will be pictures. But here it is, it's all cut out now. It's a messenger bag, front pocket, pocket for your laptop, another pocket, an inside pocket. This is a Laredo leather. These are all the pieces, and we'll go through them as we get to them. There are the straps to the front. That's the handle. There's two handles, two straps. There's these for the sides, buckles, strap buckles, rivets. Even though I just bought a new sewing machine, I'm going to hand sew this one because I like the thread better. Alright, we'll continue. Of course, when you build a multi-layer project like this, you have to start at the inside and do the pieces as you go. You can see here the hole punches, that's for this inside pocket here. Phone, pen, flashlight, I don't know, whatever you want. I'm not going to line this because this lining looks pretty nice. Alright, we'll get started. Alright, I sew this inside pocket. It's good for your, I don't know if you can see a cell phone here, a couple pens, whatever you want, I guess. Flashlight or pocket knife. That's going to be the inside of the main pocket. See, I saddle stitched all this, and I used a 5 and 5/32. So the spacing's pretty big here. That's gonna go like, but I'll have to lotion this all up before we put them all together. Now we'll start on the front pocket. Let's do the front pocket, have the middle pocket, and then a buckle on each side for the strap. So we have to put this pocket on, punch all the holes, put these buckles on, and then it goes on top. It's going to be a lot of work for this bag. Let's scatter. So I'm going to work on this front piece. The pocket here in the middle. We have these straps. I'm going to do these first. I just use this buckle template. It's 30 millimeters. I didn't order 25. Why would I ever need 25 millimeters? These are 25 millimeters. Okay, I cut them. I just punched a hole in each end and then just cut between them. I cut them a little off center. You can see, because when you fold them, then this buckle has more range of motion. It doesn't need to go that way because it's against the bag. So that's how it's going to be put on there. Okay, we're going to glue these together, get them ready to go. Before I put this pocket on, I'm going to put some leather lotion or conditioner on here, clean it up, and then I'll clean this other one because we're done that. I'm just going to do each piece with some leather lotion. Just clean it up, protect it a little bit from the elements. I don't know if you can see that on there, but it's, you know, nice and dark and clean. You can see the difference. I'm going to carry on with that. Yeah, I'm in the freezer room. I don't have a solid place to do my punching. punched the holes, and I punched a couple of holes for rivets. Right now I'm gonna put some beeswax to burnish this edge before I fasten it on. And we're gonna fasten it on in the middle, like that. I'm gonna go ahead and burnish this now while it's apart. I dyed the edges with black just to make sure they stay nice and black. Put a little acrylic over top of it. Burnish these, and then we'll come back. There, I just polished it. Rub that beeswax in there. Do this before you put it together. It's a little harder to do it after. Probably no one notices but me. That's done before or after. Okay. Punched a hole through that one. There. I'm going to put a couple drops of glue here to hold it in place. I glued that just to glue the corners to hold it, and then I punched all the holes. Now I'm just going to awl them. Send the awl through. Important tip: I glued it, but it didn't hold. But I'm sure it's because I already put conditioner on here. Just using this leather glue, and generally it works really great. I've been gluing the tabs. I've been gluing these with them, and they're good. They're tight. I'm quite sure that it didn't stay because I'd already conditioned this leather. Just a tip: it may not hold if you've conditioned your leather. So we're moving along here. I think it'll take me about 3 hours to finish. So we're done now. Wrapped it around. Right. See that I brought it through here. No knots to see. We marked it all. Kind of did this backwards. Put this on here. Exactly where it's going to be. I should have punched this hole first, but I didn't. I didn't think of it. I haven't done these corners, but I think I'll just do the corners when we get it all together. Just punch them. Okay, let's just bevel the edges here. Just takes the sharpness off them. Well, the whole thing. Punched holes in here. Two centimeters from the end. Where am I here? Punch 2 holes in here. The first one 2 centimeters from the end, and then 15. Gonna go here. About here. just to set it off a little bit. Like that's what we're gonna do with them right there, like that. All right, I went 2.5 inches center, and then up 2 inches. And that'll be my bottom hole here. Snaps on. There. Put this base underneath so that one's flat. I've clipped it together, but you can see that the strap was supposed to be 41. The guy said it's too long because 41 just adds these all sides together. It doesn't take account for the curve, but it's better to do that first and then just trim it off later rather than have it too short. I'm going to take a square and trim it off now and then put the D-rings. The D-rings on it. We're going to do that. It's coming together.